Hello guys, let's talk today about a product from Nanoleaf. It's a starter kit um, for 9 triangle panels uh, with LED lighting, which will improve your room. So let's see what we have in the package. There is a small book with some ideas and some instructions how to mount the panels, how to configure them, and yeah, not very interesting. Let's put it away. However, this is very important because here we have the code needed in order to sync our panels with the smartphone application. Yeah, and the smartphone application is very useful in order to control the unit. We have the adapter here, then something not useful. These are the connectors um, for the panels. We have enough, exactly what we need, and this is the double tape adhesive, which will be used in order to stick our panels to the surface we want. This is the control unit, uh, which will allow us to control the panels without the smartphone application. So we have the power, a plus and minus for intensity, we can change the pattern and so on. And these are the real panels. This is the power adapter. Let's put it away a little bit. Okay, there is a indication you need to press for 30 seconds in order to stick the panel to the surface. Yeah, and let's take all of them. So for this particular kit, we have 9 panels. So we'll have here 9 triangles. Okay, they're very well packed. So it will be quite difficult to broke any panels during the shipment. Yeah, all are the same. There is no difference between the panels. There is no master panel and uh, child panels or something like this. They're all the same. And we have here the power adapter, nothing special, and that's all. Okay, so this is the back of the panel. And if we want to attach the panels, we will use a connector. We can use a lot of patterns to uh, make whatever shape we want. Uh, we just need a lot of imagination here. Yeah. So let's take one connector. So one connector will link to panels. Yeah, it's very easy. So we just need to put one connector here, and then we will attach a second panel to it. Very easy. Don't worry, you'll not break anything. You can push. Let's attach some more panels. Okay, this is the power unit. Uh, this is not the right position. Yeah, doesn't feel right. Uh, this definitely feels right because we can uh, mask the cable. And now the power unit, the control unit. Yeah, it can be attached to any of the remaining ports. Yeah, so it will be something like this. I just need to move all other panels a little bit. Okay, let's take one additional connector. And attach it. First of all to the control unit and then to the panel. Doesn't matter which port you will use to connect the control unit. So this is how it looks from the front. Very nice and clean design. We just need another connector to link this panel to the other three ones. Yeah, very easy. And that's it. So we have a basic shape. It's a big triangle formed from four little triangles. Yeah, nothing fancy here. Let's put the power adapter in the wall and see how it looks. Okay, so after the first time you connect the power adapter, you just need to wait for several seconds in order to properly start. So don't do what I'm doing now. Don't touch that button because nothing will happen. So just wait a little bit. I was not very patient about this. Okay, so it started. We can change the pattern. So it can be steady light, steady white, or other color, or it can change the colors. There are so many possibilities depending what you want and what you need. Yeah. So this is how it looks with the light off. Really nice. Okay. Let's talk about installing. So if you want to install this directly on a furniture, it's quite easy. You just need to attach the adhesive on that particular surface. However, if you want to attach this directly on the wall, I suggest to use something in between uh, to be held better. And I'm using here a piece of plywood. Yeah, I I cut the plywood based on the design, the shape I want to have. And now just try to see how all the triangles fit on on the plywood before mounting it on the wall. Yeah, we just need we need to measure twice before we cut once. Okay, so we'll just make the overall shape and be sure that everything looks okay. You'll see on the left side that there is still a piece of plywood which can be seen. This is for me just to have a starting point. On the final product, this will be cut and will not be seen anymore. And you'll need some tools to cut that piece of plywood, to make the holes in the wall, and so on. This is the back of the triangles, and you can attach that double tape adhesive in order to stick it on the plywood or on other surface you want. Take care because you only have one piece of double tape adhesive in addition. And this is how the plywood looks on the wall before attaching the triangles. So it's very well mounted and it's steady. And now let's see the final product. This is how it looks in the night. Quite nice. And you can take your dinner in the kitchen in a more let's say romantic light. Yeah, it looks like nice. So thanks for watching and good luck with your panels.